the notorious RBG. And there's a lot we can learn from RBG, and I want to just share a few insights with you today, how we can learn from her life and apply it to our own lives. RBG believed in herself. Just imagine, she went to Harvard Law School at a time when only 2% were women. She was one of 9 women in her law class. Imagine the belief she must have had within her abilities to do that. In the first year of law school, there was the infamous Dean's Dinner, in which he asked the women how come they were taking a seat in law school away from a man. That's the society in which she lived. And she believed in her dream to become a lawyer. Anyway, and I'd like to ask, what is your dream for yourself? What is it that you really would like to do? You see, it's not only the external influences that can impact us, and in her day, there were thousands of laws that inhibited and restricted women. And a society that believed that women were somehow second-class citizens that didn't deserve the same rights as men. Well, she faced those external things, but she must have also had internal things that threatened to stop her. What are the things that you allow to dampen your self-belief? What are the beliefs that you carry around? What are the external obstacles that you tell yourself why you can't live your dream or live the life that you want to live? RBG is a good example of a person who listened to what she knew inside of herself. And I believe that since every person is an expression of God, we're either listening to that voice inside of us that gives us a dream, that gives us an idea that we get excited about. You know, the word enthusiasm, in theos, in God. When there's something that you're enthusiastic and passionate about, you're listening to the God within your own being. We're either listening to that or we say, oh no, I can't do that. Oh no, not in these times. She could have done that easily. Oh no, who am I to think I can become a lawyer? I'm not smart enough to do that. We're not rich enough to do that. Whatever it might be, but she believed in herself. It's been said that when you believe in yourself, you believe in the wisdom that created you. When you believe in your dreams, your desires, you're believing in the wisdom that put them there in the first place. And that's what she did. She believed in herself. And I encourage you to believe in your dream, to believe in your abilities. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.